The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout.
The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout. The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout. The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout.
The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout. The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout.
The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout. The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird then gave a pout. The third baby bird at last went out. The next baby bird